We're going to explain how to add single quotes in Excel. There are several ways to do this, depending on what you're trying to achieve. The simplest method is to just type an apostrophe. If you start a cell entry with an apostrophe, Excel will treat everything after it as text, essentially adding a single quote at the beginning. This is perfect for situations where you have leading numbers or data that might otherwise be interpreted as a formula or date. However, if you want a single quote within your text and not at the beginning, you'll need to use two single quotes together. For instance, if you want to type "It's a beautiful day," you would type "It's a beautiful day" into the Excel cell. Excel will display "It's a beautiful day" with only one single quote showing in the final output. This double quote technique works flawlessly for inserting single quotes anywhere within your text string. 3. If you need to add single quotes to many cells simultaneously, using the Find and Replace feature might be more efficient. Do this, select the cells you want to modify. Then go to Find and Select, often under the Home tab, click Replace. In the Find What box, type a single quote, and in the Replace With box, type 2 single quotes. Click Replace All. Excel will add a second single quote before every existing single quote. This is great for large datasets requiring consistent single quote additions. 4. Another approach, particularly useful with formulas, is the concatenate function, or its shorter equivalent, the ampersand and. For example, if cell A1 contains hello, and you want to add single quotes around it, you would write a formula such as equals concatenate A1, or more simply, x and A1n in another cell. This method is flexible and powerful for combining text strings while dynamically inserting single quotes. For those comfortable with VBA, Visual Basic for applications, a macro can automate the process of adding single quotes to a large number of cells or applying more complex single quote insertion logic. However, this method requires a more advanced understanding of Excel programming. Remember that the method you choose depends on your specific needs and your comfort level with Excel features. Whether it is a quick manual entry, a find and replace, a formula, or a macro, Excel provides options to insert single quotes effectively.